Welcome. If you're looking to take control of your Facebook page's privacy and want to prevent others from sharing your page's stories when you mention them, you're in the right place. With Facebook's latest update, the process is a bit different, but I'll walk you through each step so you can keep your content exactly where you want it, on your own page. Let's get started. First, open Facebook from your browser. Make sure you're logged into the account that manages the page you want to update. Now, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This will bring up a menu where you can access all the pages you manage. Find the page you want to edit and click on its profile photo. This will take you directly to your page. Once you're on your page, it's time to dive into the settings. Look for the Settings and Privacy option, usually found in the menu on the left or under your profile options. Click on Settings and Privacy, then select Settings from the drop-down. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Stories section. This is where you can control how your stories are shared and who can interact with them. Click on Stories to open up the story settings. Now, here's the important part. Look for the option that says Allow people to share your stories if you mention them. By default, this might be enabled, meaning anyone you mention in your stories can share them to their own audience. To prevent this, simply disable this option. Click the toggle to turn it off. And that's it. You've just taken a big step in protecting your page's stories from being shared without your direct approval. Remember, you can always revisit these settings if you change your mind in the future. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your Facebook page and keeping your content secure. See you in the next video.